Down. Oh, what happened? What the dog? Crack in the world just tapping there. Still on your belt. See that? That's gonna be different. Keep your hands up. If you keep your hands up where I want them at, there you go. Now stay on your bounce like that, father. Like that. Oh, okay. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Bring them hands back, Lolly. Stay on your bounce. See that? Do that bounce. If you stay on your bounce, you ain't gonna have no problem. Yeah. Bring them hands back. Bring that hand back. Bring that hand back. Take some off, Bird. Up top. Okay, just a little bit.
Hands up, Lila.
That's a good job, Big Bird. Way to work with it. That's how you get better. Let me see you catch. Catch one, Bird. Catch her jack. What she doing? Turn your hand. Do it again. Do it again.